Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Now in this video, we are going to be playing a game, and this game is called Krunker, so let's go. And I've never done a gameplay on this game before, but what I know about this game is that it's an online gun game, and I already created my own account on this game. Hold on, let me move my camera log. Okay, I'll just leave it where it is. You know, I'll just leave it where it is. Alright, so let's get right into it. So yeah, guys, I don't really have much experience with this game. Last night I just created my own account on this game, and there's going to be people talking, it looks like. And this game is a little laggy though. So I'm sorry if the video's laggy. It's just that if you're recording this game, it'll get laggy. This game is new to me. I'm new to this game. Oh, darn it, I died again. So yeah, like I said, there's not much experience to this game. All that I can say is I hope you guys enjoy. So what we're doing in this game is we're basically supposed to be killing other players that tries to kill us. And this game is called Krunker, and you guys can play along if you want. I found this game on a website called Crazy Games. In the last video, I played a game called Whack Your Boss, and it was fun. If you guys haven't seen that video, then leave a link in the description. Then if I haven't played that game yet, then if you guys haven't seen that video yet, then go ahead and check that video out. And I just got done uploading it last night. And sorry about the voice. Those are just other people talking. And darn it, this game's a little laggy. Alright, who's attacking me? Ah! Who's killing me right there? Yeah! Oh, darn it. This sucks. This sucks, dude. Come on, dude. This sucks. I couldn't do it in time. This sucks. Alright, click to play. Alright, let's play it now. Alright, let's see where I'm gonna go. Let's go in here. Don't look like there's anything in here, so we're gonna go in the next room. Come on! Come on, man. No. You suck, guest one, you suck. I die all the time in this game. Can we switch to any other guns? Nope, we can't. Still. Maybe. Maybe we can. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. These guys really do Wait a minute, Advance? Who's Advance? Advance doesn't sound like a good username, but okay. Super Snipe. Whoa, I like that name. Get him. I'll save you, guess. Nope. Oh, nope. Nope. Guess not. Come on, Super Guest, let's go. No, I don't want this game to be laggy in the whole video. this is gonna be a short video, I guess. Just kidding. We have like a little bit more time on the video, but not long. Cause I don't want to cut this video way down. I love you too, Mom. Sorry, guys, that's my mom. Weird mom. That's my mom, guys. You're familiar. You're probably and if you guys are not familiar with her, you guys aren't familiar with her. Well, that's weird mom. And she's just a character on here, and she's just a character for my YouTube channel. She is. Whoa, I got a kill streak. Ooh, headshot. That's cool. None of my friends, I bet no one else if you're one of my and Fire Rage, if you're watching this right now, Fire Rage, and then you probably know what this is, Fire Rage. So if you're watching this, Fire Rage, then be sure to do a gameplay on this like I am, because I want to see a gameplay on this. Yo, what the heck? Okay. I'm doing a gameplay. Alright, let's go. Alright, so, oh dang it. Oh, defeat. That makes no sense. Sorry guys if my face cam's a little laggy, but that's just the way it is sometimes, so that'll happen sometimes. And the game is being laggy too, because while I'm recording this gameplay, the game's gonna be laggy. Oh crap, I got a headshot. Crap. I'm about to take a bath soon, so I'm gonna have to end it in a little bit. Oh crap. No! Well, failed again. Oh crap. I'm very bad at this game, guys. If you guys like this video, then I'll do more gameplays on this. So I'm gonna give you give you guys some time to hit that like button. So hit that like button, and then so if you guys hit that like button right now, so yeah, guys, please hit that like button right now, guys, because if you hit that like button right now, then I'll do more gameplays on this if you hit that like button right now. So ready, and hit that like button now. Nice job, guys. Nice job hitting that like button, guys. So now that you guys hit that like button, I'm gonna do more gameplays on this. And you guys don't really have to hit that like button right now. It's a joke, guys. It's just a joke, guys. It's just a joke. Guys, so don't take it seriously. It's just a joke. But if you really do, then I'll appreciate it. So you really can if you want. Then I'll really appreciate that. Okay, we have we don't have room. Yo, what the heck? Why is my game being glitchy? Oh, I died again. Nope. Alright, I'm about to end the gameplay here just one more time. Alright, I'm not very good at this. Alright. Alright.